They found their coop. They're chilling. But here's today's project. I'm gonna work on this from now on. I'm gonna get this done. I want my boat. The amount of work I gotta do really isn't that much. But gosh, well, I've never done it before. I've done everyone in my family decided to use my boat as a place to put trash. I want the boat. See, I'm digging around. It's dirty. There's a pool in my boat, for shit's sake. Oh, there's my plug. I'm gonna need that. Actually, I have two of them. Because one for the live well, one for the boat. Ugh, skunky water. This is probably where all the mosquitoes are coming from. I'm gonna have to let y'all go for a minute and come back. Oh, there we go. All the water's dripping out of it now. I got it jacked up. So now I'm just shoveling out all the gunk so that it's lighter, so that I can carry it. All the wet crap that's been breeding the mosquitoes. Like, the mosquitoes are bad in my yard. It's still flowing good. It's all good. I spent a lot of time cleaning this out. And then I had a tarp on it. But I don't know where it went. So now it all looks like crap again. Yeah, well now the trailer's trash and I can't get a damn boat out because I don't have a truck anymore because my truck blew up. So I'm gonna cut these U-bolts off the bottom here with my angle grinder, and then we're just gonna drag the boat off and put it up on the table so that, well, I can fix it. Pop, pop. This damn thing's gonna fall on my head. It's gonna fall on my head. That ain't helping. Yeah, he's not here. Really? Okay. Try to take the weight off of it. Oh, here we go. Here I go again on my own. Just hope I don't drop a boat on my freaking head. Oh, it's gonna hurt. It's a bad idea. Hold on while I go make this safe. Number one priority. Back to cutting. Look at that. Magic. So now we'll be able to pull it straight out and flip it upside down, let it relieve a lot of the weight that's in there. It's like dead debris and such and stick it on this table and pray that the table holds. If it doesn't, I'll come up with something else. Stay tuned. And now we're gonna squirt it all out and get it nice and clean. A little groove before. Oh. You know that little white styrofoam crab? That means there's animals, like field mice or something, living inside my seat. Bring you right back as soon as we're done squirting this out. Alright, we're blasting it, getting it all cleaned out with a hose, and just as I suspected, a big ass field mouse come jumping out from underneath my seats and took off running. He didn't get out of the boat, so it's still in here somewhere. So hopefully he decides to vacate overnight so I ain't got to deal with him tomorrow. So we're gonna get it all rinsed out and take it up the top of my hill here and put it up on the blocks upside down so I can start sanding away at it. It's a Monarch 4 foot by 16 foot, 48, well they say 48 by 16. And it's, I can't remember the year, but I got the hull plate upstairs. I took it off so I could get this thing titled and everything. Still gotta do that. I gotta put an ad in the paper. The boat was given to me by someone who gave it to that person. So it's like a hand-me-down on a hand-me-down. But yeah, as you can see, it's from North Carolina. I'm not. So we'll figure out how to, maybe I can register it in another state or something, but whatever. So stay tuned, more to come. And here's the little guy who was living in my boat. I didn't want him to die, so I rescued him. He looks a little shaky. He's a little nervous. Let's set him free. I ain't into killing animals, even if they are mice. Yeah, go ahead, little guy. Be free. You can live on my boat trailer till I throw it away. Then you can live at the dump. Yeah, I'm a big pushover. Ain't even gonna kill a mouse. What a sissy. But whatever. Well, this is pretty much it for the end of day one. So, this video, there will be more videos on this, of course, because there's a lot of work to do. I gotta sand it. I'm gonna go through the whole procedure of titling it. I'm gonna show you guys how to fix these cracks, and that, which is pretty cool. It needs a MAP propane tank and some blazing rods, brazing rods, whatever the hell. I might even carpet it. So all this is coming, and I want you guys to stick around with me to you know, be part of it with me, man. But I've already taken out the transom because it was rotted, so I'm gonna put a new transom in there, new lights, new everything. You know, make sure you stick with me, check it out. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and it'll be greatly appreciated. One of my many projects that I'm gonna bring y'all with. So, all right, bye.